Senator, you've been in touch with the State Department and keeping tabs on what's happening in the Middle East today. What's your reading of what's going on, and do you support the president's steps so far in addressing the crisis?
The president, I think, has acted properly. We're dealing with an old-fashioned rogue, a military bully, and we have to get the message across that this kind of conduct is not tolerated. Iraq has about 1 million troops. Kuwait has about 20,000. For them just to move in and take over like that obviously is not a healthy thing.
Is the U.S. doing enough to protect the shipping lanes in the Persian Gulf?
We have ships there in the Persian Gulf. I think this is an area where we could cooperate with the Soviets and provide additional protection for shipping. We are moving some additional ships from the Indian Ocean over to the Persian Gulf.
There's already been some jolt to the world price of oil. What do you see happening if this is not solved soon?
Well, if it is not solved soon, first of all, there's a message out to predators anywhere. You can go ahead and take advantage of weaker countries. That's wrong. And second, it has the potential of destabilizing the world's economy because oil is so key everywhere.
Is Congress preparing any role, or do you think the Congress generally is satisfied with the president's handling of this so far?
My impression just from a few hours is that Congress believes the president is handling this properly up to this point.
What accounts for Iraq's action? Is there a lack of any counterbalancing military force in that area?
Well, Iraq has a military bully for a leader. And while there has been some dispute of just a small amount of territory between Iraq and Kuwait, I think what happened was unexpected.
Do you think there's some chance that the Iraqis would attempt to free the prisoners that have been a source of conflict in the U.S. hostage situation? They're held in Kuwaiti jails.
That is possible, though the relationship between Iraq and Iran is so strained that I think that is not a probability. But it is possible that there could be a temporary side benefit in the freeing of hostages.
Has Kuwait been a good ally to the United States?
Kuwait has not been a strong supporter of many of our policies, but Kuwait has generally been regarded as a moderate force in the Middle East.